Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, I'll show you a complete walkthrough on how you can send letters to LetterStream. First, you would want to make sure that you have everything set up, and you would want to understand what LetterStream is. LetterStream is a third-party platform that takes care of your printing and mailing your letters. So you won't have to go out to the post office just to get your mails done. You won't have to print the letters one by one, insert them in envelopes, prepare the labels, and go to the post office just to mail your dispute letters. LetterStream will do those tasks for you. You can just sit back at home, relax, and wait for the responses to come back. The first thing you would want to do again is to set up everything. So from the dashboard, go to Company, and go to Notification Automation. From here, go to One-Click Print Automation with LetterStream. You can always watch a training video about notification automation to know more about what you could do into this screen. In the One-Click Print Automation LetterStream, if you're already tired of going to the post office, this would be the best feature for you as this completely automates the printing and mailing of your letters. So first, we have some training video right here to know more about different functionalities that you could actually go through, or if in any case you get lost into navigation. We have step 1, 2, 3, which is very important for you to complete through. First, watch the video about LetterStream and how does it work. Next, set up your LetterStream account and get your API credentials. It is important for you to set up an account using our special link. You would have to click here to open your LetterStream account or click this one. Step 3 is to activate your LetterStream account with the Client Dispute Manager software or fully get it integrated. Watch this training video for you to get guided on how you could set it up. Once you have your API and keys, let's just assume that you have it already added here. You have it already set up and it's completely connected. You have One-Click Print Automation turned on. It's now time for you to start preparing your letters. Let me first take you in the bulk print screen to show you how your LetterStream bulk print screen would look like. You can access the bulk print screen directly from here, or you can also access it from this icon. This icon will take you to the archive screen of bulk print, as this would already show you the mailed letters coming from LetterStream. Let's go to bulk print screen and view the current screen. In the One-Click Print Automation screen, you would have training videos at the top to know more about other features and things that you have to know about LetterStream. You can also turn on and off the One-Click Print Automation from here. So if in any case you want to go back to regular printing, then you could simply turn this off. Next is we have the search feature. In this area, all you have to do is simply select the range from which date up to which date, for you to get all the letters created within those periods. Just click on search once you're done inputting the range of the dates that you would want to view. We also do have a quick search right here. For example, you would want to search just for a specific client. You can do so. Just type in the name of your client and hit on search. You can also sort out how many entries you'll be able to see in the grid. Right now I have it sorted with 10. You could move it with 20 at a time so that you have 20 records in your screen. 50 at a time as well is another option. Next, in the middle, we have some tooltips. We have in production, mailed, and needs attention. These are different statuses that you'll be able to see as your letters goes through LetterStream. In production means the letters are already sent to LetterStream and they are preparing your letter, meaning to say LetterStream is preparing your letter for printing and mailing. Once the status is moved to mailed, that means that your letters has been completely mailed by LetterStream. And once it is already mailed, you won't be able to see it here in the current screen, but you would be able to see them directly in the archive screen. Automatically, if ever the letters has been mailed, LetterStream already sent back an update letting you know that they have already mailed the letters. Those letters will be moved coming from current screen to the archive screen. Needs attention. Needs attention means that your account does not have enough funds to cover the letters. Your letter stream account. Your letter stream account has to be funded in order for your letters to be mailed out. So what you would have to do if you see a needs attention status, you would have to log into LetterStream and add funds to your account and follow instructions to release your letters. Once your letters go into production, it would take about 5 minutes for the status to update in the LetterStream bulk print screen. We also do have the page icon right here for you to be able to move from one page to another. This would be numbered 1 onwards if you have more letters in your bulk print screen. In the grid, you'll be able to see the letters that you have prepared. You'll see the name of the client, the ones that you prepared the letter for, the organization furnisher account. As an example, I have a credit bureau right here, a credit bureau letter sent to Experian, and then the furnisher or account details. Campaign or manual letter. This actually shows you which type of letters you have used for this specific dispute. Is it a dispute flow letter? Is it a general letter, a campaign letter, or a manual letter? The letter name. Which specific letter under the campaigns did you actually use? The date when the letter was sent to the bulk print screen, meaning to say the date you created the letter from dispute manager screen and sent them to print. And here is where you can see the status updates. So down below I have a couple of letters. I have 3 letters for Verita, my client right here, that I haven't sent to LetterStream. So it doesn't have any status updates yet. But once I mail this to LetterStream or send it to LetterStream, it would be changed and moved into an in-production status. Additional functionalities that we have in the LetterStream bulk print screen is attaching images to your letters or proof of IDs to your letters. For example, you would want to add a proof of ID, a social security card, and a proof of address. You can do so. You just have to simply check the tick box for those documents that you would want to be attached on a specific letter. If you want all of the letters to have the IDs attached to them, just simply check the tick box at the top to check them all. You can also upload documents directly from here if your client does not have uploaded any yet when they went through maybe the client's auto sign-up process, or they have not sent you any proof of IDs and they just recently sent it to you maybe via email. You can add and upload them in by clicking on the plus icon, choosing the type of ID, choosing the file, and adding a little bit of description. Just take note, of course, that the file upload limit is at 50 MB. We also do have files that's formatted. As of the moment, you can only upload or use images which should have a .jpg or .jpeg and .png file types. Once you're done adding this all, just click on Save. You can also preview and view your letters before you even mail them out or even after you already sent them to in-production status. You can simply click on the View Letter icon right here to preview the letter itself. Now, to preview the documents before you even start attaching them, you can view them by clicking on the icon for View Documents. You'll see the documents that your client submitted to you. And you'll see an Edit icon. The letters can only be edited if you have not sent those letters to LetterStream. As you can see, these ones in production are already grayed out, meaning to say any letters sent to LetterStream cannot be edited anymore. The ones that I haven't sent to LetterStream are the ones that I could still edit. I just have to click on the edit icon and it would take me to the bulk print screen letter editor. You can watch a training video right here to know more about how you can maximize the letter editor screen. Now, of course, we also do have the delete icon if you wish to delete any of the letters sent in the bulk print screen, and the view icon in order for you to keep track as to where the letter is already. So for example, for this one, you'll see the date and time the letter was sent to LetterStream, the job ID number, the doc ID number, the cost that you paid for, the status, you'll also be able to see a view proof, the history, signature, and tracking. Now, of course, signature applies if you are using a certified mail, as you have a capability to use either certified mail or a regular mail. Now, of course, right here at the top, we also do have a way for you to delete them in bulk. Now, let's say, for example, you would want to send some new letters to LetterStream. All you have to do is get those letters. For example, I have these 3 letters right here that hasn't been sent to LetterStream. Just simply select them and click on Send to LetterStream. Once you do so, these letters would be successfully sent to LetterStream and would be moved into an in-production status. Once it's moved to an in-production status, you just have to simply wait for the update coming from LetterStream letting you know that this letters has been mailed. Now again, if you do not have enough funds, it may go back as needs attention, in which you could always watch a training video about needs attention right here at the top to know more about it. Now, every time that a letter has been sent to LetterStream, you actually do get an email notification once it has been mailed. You'll get an email notification coming from LetterStream letting you know that it has already been mailed, as well as an email coming from the Client Dispute Manager software. You would be receiving an email once per day letting you know of a summary of the letters that has been mailed. You can also simply go back here into the one-click print automation screen and go to Archive to view any letters that has already been mailed. So that would complete our quick training tutorial on how you can send letters to LetterStream.